Elevator right in the middle.
This is Essex. This is CB33 composite model. And they got Corsairs. And they got Helldivers and Avengers. This is the TS1 manufactured by Curtiss. And some helicopters. The old workhorse of Navy and Air Force, F4F. And a Crusader. Or a Corsair, one of the two, Corsair 2. We have a little space exhibit. There's a RC ship for you. Contra-rotating props. Curtiss Falcon. This Sky Raider was based on the Coral Sea.
Your SAMs.
Beautiful thing. Beautiful, beautiful.
And the boys got shot up pretty bad in this aircraft. And we lost.
He's not going to be able to see, but he can be aware of his surroundings. And then he's going to black out, which means he passes out flying the airplane, and that's what's going to kill him. If he doesn't become conscious, he's going to lose control of his airplane, and he's going to fly into the ground or into the ocean. So what he wears what's called a G-suit or gravity suit to help him stay awake. The way it works, it's got 5 air pockets. 2 down here on the calf, 2 down here on the side with the abdomen. The stove is plugged into the aircraft. When you pull the G's, it blows up the suit automatically, like this. Okay. And it's going to help you stay conscious a little bit longer. There's other things you can do, certain sitting positions, grunting, all that stuff.
There's old Curtiss.
They teach you all kinds of various different things you can do.
Well, we're going to say goodbye from the United States Naval Aviation Museum, Pensacola, Florida. Head out for Top Gun. See you guys next time. 19th, and you can see we're at Farragut State Park for the 1992 International Northwest Scale Masters qualifier. Beautiful day. It's Friday afternoon. We've just finished static. Test flying is Albatross D5A from a Proctor kit. You're going to give us a kind of a flyby, are you, Mike?
I'm going to try.
Mike's got a Super Tiger in this. OS 3500, correction. Flies good. Split S here. Nice flyby. PR260. Cue quickly. Mike says it weighs 24 pounds with a 26 prop. Crosswind. Mike's taxiing back after a mission here. Quigley. Yeah. Got Randy Hansen from Astoria with a captured Newport 11. I bet it's a Proctor, isn't it?
I believe it may be. Have you, do you know them at all?
Oh yeah, I kind of know guys that run Proctor. This thing sure flies nice. What are you getting for power?
OS 74 stroke.
Great engine. Randy's got an OS 74 stroke in there. Randy's running a 13.6 propeller on his OS 70. Nice flying airplane. Do us a nice slow flyby here. He doesn't know what the weight of this thing is, but I'd guess it's around 9.5, 10. This is Randy Hansen on a touch and go. Proctor Newport 11. Look at that, look at that. Randy says his engine seems to be overheating, so he's going to come in for a landing. Crosswind, crosswind. Magnificent. Mike Brewer's a master builder. Look at this engine. I have offered to trade him mine, but he wouldn't have anything to do with it, son of a gun. Look at that exhaust stack. Yes, sir, that's all right. Ray Schleckens, Focke-Wulf 190, is it, Ray?
Right, D9.
The D9 model. It's a Greg Namey kit.
Right.
Looks like he's going up for a test flight. This is Q Quigley taxiing back. Quigley on takeoff. Ray Schleckens on takeoff. Nice, gear up, and away he goes. Touch and go. Preparing for flight. And look at this motley crew, will you?
Motley? What does that mean?
Motley, ragged and torn.
Oh, is that right? Oh, boy, look at that guy.
Mike Brewer, Astoria, Oregon. Cleo shoulder, and it looks like a turbo beaver. Is that what that is? Turbo beaver. F-86. Rick Swaggart and his Thunderbolt. Bye-bye. On a go around. George Sisti on approach from Seattle. Oh, nice. We'll accept that one. Well, it's Saturday morning at Farragut State Park. And it's time to start the flying here in about 5-10 minutes. In fact, the first engine just started. Nice airplanes here today. There's the flight line. Here and see some of the airplanes. A lot of aluminum out here to keep the sun's rays from deteriorating batteries.
Wish they'd open the hangar doors and that charter should fly right through
it. Very Gray with his Piper Cub from Newburgh.
George, can you lose a little spring on your clock? There it is.
Randy Hansen from Astoria, Mike Brewer, Sequoia. Yeah, we'll get this beat.